This is a little bit tricky and people find it difficult. We need to just look at what we've got first of all. What we have are three identical triangles. If you look at the bottom one, we have some information. We can work out that the height goes from x equals 0 to x equals 25. So the height of each of the triangles is 25 points or centimeters or whatever. The base of the triangle, in this case on the y-axis, goes from 0 to -6. So the base is 6 units long. Once we've got that information, it makes this whole process a lot easier. So its height is 25 and its base is 6. Because if we've looked at the bottom triangle, the other two are the same. So for point A, if we take the x-axis first, well, there x equals 25, so we're going back 6 from there to x equals 19, and x comes first. So point A is 19, 25, because it's the whole height of the triangle is 25. So that's relatively straightforward. Point B, well, if we look at how far it's down from point A, it's 6 less than point A, so it's going to be 19 on the y-axis, and the x-axis, it's been shifted 6 along. If you look at the bottom right, it's been shifted 6 from 19 to -6. So B is -6 on the x-axis and 19 on the y-axis, and A is 19 on the x-axis, 19 along, and 25 up, so 25 on the y-axis. So those are your two coordinates, 19, 25, and -6, 19.